Hi guys, I'm Benjamin Padernos. You can call me Ben. And well, what can I say? I'm just new here in this kind of industry, and well, this is my first time. And for BPO experience, I've been with the BPO industry for like less than a year. And after that, I've been through a retail store. It's more of a cell phone shop. So I've been the manager there for like 1 year and 4 months. And why I'm excited to work for MOD, it's because um, compared to the other jobs that I've been through, this is more comfortable because you're just gonna work at home and more time with my family. And music. About the music, I love acoustic songs, and my favorite band is Boys Avenue. And what else? And that's it. Thank you.